Hi, I'm Al DiMaria, and in this episode of Modern Maintenance, we'll discuss battery maintenance and safety. Proper lead-acid battery maintenance, along with proper charge and discharge habits, will keep your electric forklift fleet running at its peak for a longer period of time. The last thing you want is having to replace your very expensive battery after just a few years. All battery maintenance requires proper personal protection equipment, otherwise known as PPE. Your battery maintenance personnel must wear a face shield, rubber gloves, apron, and steel-tip boots. Your maintenance area should be well ventilated and include an eye wash station. One of the leading causes of premature battery failure is not maintaining the water level. Maintenance-free and lithium-based batteries do not require a water check. The water level should be checked after charging, once a week. Check every cell. The water level should be about a half an inch above the grid inside the cell. If water is needed, add distilled water only after fully charging the battery. There are watering systems available for industrial batteries. Once the system is installed, all you have to do is connect the water source and let it fill. The flow of water will automatically stop when all the cells are filled to the proper level. Here at Modern, we sell these watering systems that will make the process quicker and more efficient. Keep batteries clean and dry. These batteries need to be cleaned periodically, and we provide that service. If you're cleaning your truck, do not steam clean, use hot water or high pressure to clean off your battery. If prepping the battery for storage, make sure it is fully charged, watered, and clean. Do not store a discharged battery and do not allow it to freeze. Most forklifts need to have their computer program set for the specific voltage, amp hour, and type of battery you have. If you should change batteries with something that is not an exact match, you may need to have the program adjustments made. Here at Modern, we can do that for you. Remember, keep metal off the top of the battery and keep it away from sparks and flames. Poorly maintained, weak, or defective batteries will lead to electrical issues, failures, and cost repairs to your equipment. If you need your battery tested, think you may have issues, need a new battery, or just have questions, call Modern at 1-800-8-MODERN. We will keep your fleet rolling.